Hey guys, I'm just going to give you a quick little DIY video that I thought might be useful. So I had this AutoStart. It's a Compustar FMX installed in my truck several years ago, and the battery has died to where the unlock doesn't even work. Just needs replaced, but thought this might be something that a lot of people need to do. I think this is just like a generic brand they put in. I have a 2015 Chevy Silverado, and it was old enough that it didn't come with AutoStart, or maybe my model wasn't high-end enough that it didn't come with AutoStart. So I had this added, and it has been lovely. Right now in Wyoming, it is currently -19. So I would like to be using this again. So I'm just going to show you how to replace the battery. On the back, it says that it has the battery. So in my case, it's a 2025 and times 2, so I need 2 of those. If you have this one and it's worn off, that's what you need, but you might have a different one. So the little keychain goes through there. I've removed that so I can open it. And then if you look, the bottom, that's where the keychain goes in on the side, there's like a little divot. So you don't need a screwdriver or like a small fancy screwdriver or anything. Literally, you're gonna put a quarter in here and just turn it to get this open. So that's what it looks like once I've opened it. And then right there, just have our 2 batteries. So I'm just gonna go ahead and slide those out. I'm gonna look at the way I take them out because it's just easier if you match. So the more flat side is up, and then the curves are gonna go downward. So actually real quick, my screwdriver that I don't need, I will use to open my new replacement batteries. So I'm gonna open these real quick. Oh, sorry, I don't have a tripod today. I'm just kind of doing this with my phone tilted against the wall, but I thought if anybody else is dealing with this, it'd be a handy thing, because you know what, this started going out for me, and I just I've just been opening my door with my key, which is stupid. You know, you have those things that don't work and you just let them sit, and you let them sit and you don't fix them for a long time, and it's like, this is a quick fix. So again, flat part up. You can use your quarter if that's what you have to push these out. Or if you have like a little screwdriver like I had, because I thought I would need it, just there. So they came out stacked on top of each other like that. So now I'm going to take my 2 new ones, my flat side up, and I'm just going to slide them back in there. Push them in all the way, make sure they're nice and snug. All right, so now I'm going to put like that, my batteries. So I'll show you how I did that. So this is the downward section, just to gauge yourself where your keychain would go. You put your batteries down and your spring up, like that little spring piece up like that. And then I have that piece that all stayed together. I should hopefully just be able to click this all back in. Yeah, nice. Okay, so now I can put my keychain back through there. And my unlock and my auto start should work again for this -19-degree weather that we're having this week, which is not always the norm here. It's really, really cold right now. So after I change my batteries, it says that you should not have to reprogram your remote start after you switch your batteries. But I ended up, mine wouldn't work. So maybe I had another issue going on. I'm not sure. Maybe it just got deprogrammed. So I had to find out how to reprogram my Compustar FMX remote. So what I found is what you're going to have to do to get it into the right mode to do this is these are your positions. You have your off position, you have 1 click, you have 2 clicks. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to this 1, 2 click and back. You're going to do that 5 times. I don't want to do it again because I just did it to mine. So you're going to go 1 to the second click, 2 past the second one, not just the first one, 5 times. Then what should happen, your remote antenna, it should flash red. Then you're going to push on your remote a function like lock or unlock. And this light should flash green. And then you can confirm to do a function lock or unlock and see if it actually does it. If it doesn't, there's actually a button here you can push to get it to turn green, and then try lock or unlock your function and stuff. So now I've gone through those steps, and I can unlock and I can lock. But, and then you just take your key out that you did that 5 times with. But when you do that click over here 5 times, it puts you into the mode, and it's actually going to change on your dash. It's going to give you a signal. It's the programming mode for this and for your antenna. So just remember here to the second position 5 times. Then up here, this light should flash red. And then when you push your system, it should go green. If it doesn't go green, you have to push the button on there to get it to go green. This is a little out of the ordinary of what I normally post, but it was something I needed to do in my work truck, and I hope this was helpful for you guys, so you can get your AutoStart or your lock unlock up and going again. So again, like and subscribe. It's super helpful to me, and I appreciate it. See you guys later. Bye.